Welcome to my channel.
Ahoy, mates! Can you guess the water transport from the clues? Let's dive in and test your brain with some splashy fun! I'm big and strong. I carry lots of cargo across the sea. I have no wheels, but I'm a key part of trade. What am I? Cargo ship. I'm small and speedy. I zoom on lakes and rivers. I love racing and making waves. What am I? Speedboat. I go under the water, deep and low. I'm used for exploring where others can't go. Submarine. I carry people and cars across the bay. I float like a bus on water every day. Ferry. I'm very fancy, a floating hotel. With pools and food, I travel quite well. Cruise ship. I'm paddled by hand. I glide with ease. I'm perfect for rivers and lakes with trees. What am I? Canoe. I have sails and use the wind. I don't need fuel to help me spin. What am I? Sailboat. I'm used in Venice. I move with a song. I'm long and narrow, and the ride is never wrong. What am I? Gondola. I have two hulls and I'm very wide. I'm super stable and a smooth ride. What am I? Catamaran. I float on air and hover around. I can go on water and land without a sound. What am I? Hovercraft. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.